Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit the homepage in Odoo. So editing the homepage and this platform is done directly using the visual drag and drop website builder, so you do not need any coding. So actually guys, first you will need to go to the website app from your Odoo dashboard. Okay, so this is the apps right here, and now you will need to go to the website. Okay, so we got through the apps just to make sure that we have the website model, right? So if you don't have it, just click on it, so you will find it just like that one, right? And then you will need to go with that, so go with the website model, click it, and click on the edit at the top right corner. So here guys, this opens, as you can see, the drag and drop editor, right? So here where you can edit the text and images. So actually this is the text, image, video, icons, buttons, separator, etc. Okay, so as you can see, you can edit the headlines, the paragraphs, buttons, images, icons, as I said. So just click, type, and done. Okay, also guys, you can add remove sections. So on the right panel here, you can click the blocks. Also you can drag a section like a hero banner, like image, like rating, card, share, Instagram, the social media icons, etc., just like that. So let me set an example. So as you can see, all right, and also the image galleries, and you can remove sections just by one click. So click on that section, remove it by going with the trash can icon. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.